Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to summer school. Sorry that I'm not there in person today. It's kind of weird to start the actual class without actually having your teacher in the room. I will be here tomorrow, though. Okay, so I just want to do what we would typically do for you today. And so I'm going to walk you through kind of what this class is going to be like, what you can expect about what's going on here, and then we will even kind of walk into like the first lessons together. Then you will be in good hands for the rest of the day. And I might I don't know, record a couple videos throughout the day to kind of show you what needs to be done. So as far as the class goes, this is a summer school class, which means you have the great privilege of being able to get an entire semester's credit done in 19 days. Okay. But those 19 days are going to be like pretty packed days. We're talking 3 hours of intensive instruction in a classroom. So the way I break down summer school is I kind of treat each hour like a separate class. Okay. So hour number one is going to be our grammar and general English instruction hour. Hour number two is going to be our like reading skill hour, and then hour number three will be our writing hour. Okay, so every day when you come in, we'll work for that first hour on looking at grammar and vocabulary, general usage keys for English. Then, if as long as everybody kind of stays on task and we get everything done, we'll take our first little break there. When we get back from break, then hour two will be reading, and we'll work on reading skills, and we will actually be reading books in this class together as well. Then, as long as everybody does that, we'll then go into hour number three after our break. Come back, and hour number three will always be writing. And your writing and your reading sections will go together because the book you read is going to be the primary text that you then write about in the writing. Okay, so today I'll walk you through what's going to go on. So that's our housekeeping thing. We'll then do our writing prompt, which is how we will start every single day. So here in a second, I'll explain that. Then we'll get into usage key number one. I'll give you your first vocabulary lesson. You will then be able to do the practical application where you take that usage key and apply it to the vocabulary. And then after everybody's done that, you go on break number one, as long as you've done those things. Get back. We will then pick your books for the first book that you're going to read during summer school. I've got a set of them over there on the table in the middle of the room. You'll pick that book. You will get a reading log, and then you will be given an assignment on figurative language. So you're going to kind of ease into figurative language today. When I come back tomorrow, we're going to jump kind of full force into that and talk about what these terms actually mean, start applying them to some poetry stuff that we'll break down. Then, after you've done that for the first little hour, second hour rather, we'll come back and we will be doing some writing where I will actually walk you through kind of like the writing process in general. If I was there, I'd talk you through it. Today, I'm just going to give you some stuff to look over that we'll then discuss at a lot more length tomorrow. We'll then wrap the day up by coming back to those writing prompts that we start the day with, and we'll read those out loud. And that's kind of the way that the general layout of summer school will work. And we'll do that 19 times, and then you guys will be done.